Hey, you Kyle of business, butterfly, I know, caterpillar, ow! What the hell is that? That's heart 10. So where are we going from the animal kingdom? It's called Jagita. Welcome to the Bonfire Night. That's my sister, that's my mom, and that's my father. And don't forget Smurfette.
And I love this holiday!
Oh, Smurfette! Nicole, what's sister in German? Schwester. J-Light, that's my...
Schwester.
So, that's my Schwester, that's my Mutter, that's my Futter.
Mutter. Vater.
Oh.
Schwester. Listen now. Listen and repeat. Schwester.
Schwester.
That's right. So it's like vest, isn't it? Schwest. Schwester.
Panzervest.
Schwester. Mutter.
Mutter.
Vater.
Vater. Horton, Nicole, you're so hilarious speaking German. I don't care. Right, so, oh yes. But don't forget like this, the Pirate of the Year Awards. Are you going to date again? That's I am. Okay, thank you. It's called The Shape of Maps. Ooh, math. I got really guess this time. But what's more like? She's beautiful. Ah, flies in my hair. I know it's funny, it's flies in my hair, and then, hey Marty, you marrying this old copy? Yes, go marry her. I know you piece of crap. Yeah, calm down, Marty. Marty, it doesn't work. Yeah, they didn't work. Ow! What the hell? Hey, why have you talked to my wife? It's nothing, J Lion. Well, I think it's not your fault. Come on, it's gonna be irresistible. Hello, I'm Marty. Hello, Marty. My name's Bio, the copy girl, and now you are irresistible. Oh, goddamn! It worked. Hello, Smurfette. Welcome to the Marty's fireworks scene. Oh, that is so goody nice, Marty. Right, J-Light? Yeah, that's kind of sus. Oh, hello. Why she's in there? Oh, Donno's in there as well. Jesus Christ. How did they get... What?
Jesus Christ, come here twice.
My husband J-Light saw it. Yeah, but... Haven't announced it, Marty? Yeah, something like that. J-Light and Smurfette. J-Light and Smurfette. I never saw this goddamn copy. What? Hey, wanna see that Smurf woman and this giraffe named Nicole? Yeah, but that's my name. I sure it's your name, Nicole? Oh, thanks, Butterfly. Smurfette, yeah, not you too, Nicole. Please, that bee Butterfly is so hilarious. But I'm missing Horton. Nicole, you're not missing Horton. I'll miss this goddamn anything. Nicole. Oh, damn it. Ow. What the hell? Smurfette, your hair is a mess. Yeah, but it's your fault. I know. You're irresistible. Now close your eyes. Be freak. Well done, Smurfette. Sign here. Now get your mommy proud. What the hell is that smell? Ladies and gentlemen, Smurfette, the lion! Roar! Oh, you freak! Oh. Hey, guys, come back! My husband Marty loves my guitar, and I love my dancing. Whoa! I need to get out of my shed. Hey, where's Marty? That's more like it. Where's more like it? Why are you in there? Come on, babe, it's Marty time. You guys are so hilarious, but I need more space. I need more space, please. More space, more space. Oh, look, there's Marty. Where? Ah! See, easy, perfect. Save yourself. Save a what? Oh, Horton. Nicole. What happened to you, Horton? I don't know. Where's Marty? She runs away from a copy. What the hell is with the copy? We met her yesterday. I don't want to be accessible anymore. Come back, Marty. Wait, where's Marty? What the hell is that smell? Who's Marty? Yeah, let's just forget about him. Aha, no firework potion. The best by Smurfette. Horton and Nicole, where's Marty? I don't know. He's being wet. Hi guys, my mane is dry. Marty, how you get in there? That copy girl is gone. No firework potion for me. Does everyone see my Smurfette? No. I can't find Smurfette because she's covered with slime because of bee butterfly. Dear J Lion, my husband, I miss you a lot by the bonfire night, and then this best part 10, but it's broken to pieces of the caterpillar and the bee butterfly. Smurfette, is that you? The J Lion crew, hey, come here, Smurfette. Oh, ew, what the hell is that smell? I told you it's slime covered in vinegar. Oh, it's that bee butterfly again. Bio? Marty, you came back! Ladies and gentlemen, the J-Line crew, make the bee butterfly. Yeah, I'm gonna blow at Smurfette and the bonfire night. Aha! Oh! Ah! My wings! My beautiful wings! Aha! Now you're a caterpillar now. Oh, god damn! My butterfly wings! This is the worst bonfire night I've ever seen! Well, you never seen about it. Yep, that's right, Smurf. That is crack-a-lackin'. Right, bio? Sure you do, Marty. No!